Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone working with electrical systems, especially when it comes to electric boilers. We're going to cover the 9 essential steps for a safe and successful installation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, a safety refresher is always a good idea. First things first, safety. Before you even think about touching that boiler, make sure you de-energize the circuit. That means turning off the correct breaker at the panel and using a lockout-tagout device. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a life-saving step. Always, and I mean always, verify the circuit is dead with a reliable voltage tester before you proceed. Now, let's talk about the essential tools you'll need. You'll want a good set of insulated screwdrivers, wire strippers, and pliers. A quality-sync multimeter is non-negotiable for testing voltage and continuity. Also, make sure you have the right personal protective equipment, or PPE. This includes safety glasses and insulated gloves. Having the right tools isn't just about making the job easier. It's about making it safer. All right, let's get into the installation process. Step 1 is a thorough inspection of the new boiler and all its components. Check for any shipping damage. Step 2 is mounting the boiler. Ensure it's level and securely fastened to the wall according to the manufacturer's instructions, leaving adequate clearance around it for ventilation and future servicing. Step 3 involves the plumbing connections. Connect the water inlet and outlet, making sure all fittings are properly sealed to prevent leaks. Remember to install an isolation valve on both the inlet and outlet for easy maintenance down the road. Step 4, and this is where our electrical expertise really comes in, is wiring the boiler. You need to run the correct gauge wire from the dedicated circuit breaker to the unit. Step 5 is making the electrical connections inside the boiler. Follow the wiring diagram in the manual to the letter. Connect your line, neutral, and ground wires to the correct terminals. A loose connection here can be a serious fire hazard. Step 6 is to fill the system with water and bleed out all the air. This is critical for the boiler to operate efficiently and safely. Trapped air can cause overheating and damage to the heating elements. Once the system is full, Step 7 is to double-check everything. Go over your plumbing and electrical connections one last time. Make sure everything is tight, secure, and correctly installed. Step 8. It's time to power up. Remove your lockout-tagout device and switch the breaker back on. Commission the boiler according to the manufacturer's guide. This usually involves setting the temperature and checking for proper operation. Finally, Step 9 is the final check. Let the boiler run for a bit and check for any leaks, strange noises, or error codes. Show the homeowner how to operate their new system. A job isn't finished until the customer is happy and confident. And that's it. The 9 key steps to installing an electric boiler safely and effectively. Following these steps will ensure a professional job every time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.